Assalamu alaikum, my dear biology students. Today we are going to study some endangered species in Pakistan. So we will explore our country and its species which are becoming endangered day by day. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to recall the terms extinct and endangered species, and you will know about some endangered species in Pakistan and their causes. Biodiversity. It is derived from two words, bio and diversity. Bio means life and diversity means variety. So every living organism, every species of the living organisms, it exists in a lot of varieties. Even we can look at our homes. In our homes, there are all the people, all the family members are having a variety. They are having different nature, different characteristics. Now if we look at ants, they are having a lot of different kinds. So there exists a variety among living things. Extinct. In an ecosystem, a species is called extinct when there is no doubt that the last individual of that species has died in that ecosystem. It includes all those species which have gone from our country, from the environment, from that specific ecosystem. And we know about rhinoceros and the lions. They no more exist in the ecosystem in Pakistan. Endangered. As the term indicates, endangered, so it includes the species which are in danger. They have come to dangerous levels, means they are decreasing day by day. So a species is called endangered when it is at risk of extinction in near future. It means these organisms or these species might become extinct in the near future if they are not protected. Examples are Marco Polo sheep. As you can see in the diagram, it has so beautiful horns, so that's why people may hunt it to get its horns for beauty, and its skin, the leather, it's also very useful. Apart from this, the other example is Indus dolphin. Conservation of biodiversity. We need to conserve the biodiversity for protection and to save our national identity. We know that the national bird of Pakistan is chakor and the national animal of Pakistan is markhor, and both of these are extremely beautiful that people are hunting them. It's so harmful thing that our national identity is at risk. Endangered species in Pakistan. Now we are going to discuss these three species which are endangered in Pakistan. These are Indus dolphin, Marco Polo sheep, Hobara bustard. Indus dolphin. According to WWFP, only 600 animals of the species are left today. Only 600. And what if they are not given protection? It might become extinct. And reason for its decline is water pollution. We know that all the industrial wastes, it is going into the rivers and streams, and it leads to the destruction or the endangerment of the marine species, of the aquatic animals, and Indus dolphin is one of them. Other reason is poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting. So people, they are illegally hunting it to get its skin, which is very useful for making purse, for making different shoes or different kinds of jackets. And habitat destruction, all its habitat is being destroyed by human beings, and Indus dolphin is at risk. Marco Polo sheep. Look at the Marco Polo sheep and its horns, how beautiful horns it has. So these horns have become one of the reasons that people hunt it, and they stuff this animal for decorations in their homes, in different offices, and it is one of the reasons that it has become endangered. It is mostly found in Khunjarab National Park, and its rapid decrease is occurring in last 2 decades. WWFP has started projects for its conservation, and it should be conserved for its extreme beauty, and its skin is also very useful for with which people after hunting make different kinds of carpets, leather jackets, and many more things. So to get money, to earn money, they are hunting it, and for stuffing of the animals. Hobara bustard, it's a bird and which flies to Pakistan in the winter season from Soviet territory. In the Union, from the Russian Union, it came to Pakistan, and then it settles in Cholistan and Thar deserts. There is a suitable environment, a suitable ecosystem for this bird to live. But its decline is occurring, its population is declining day by day due to hunting by the foreigners and destruction of its habitat. We know that people are doing deforestation, and they are destroying the whole climates. So, and due to the hunting of this Hobara bustard, it is being declined and it has become endangered. It might become extinct if it is not given protection. I hope you are clear about the endangered and the extinct species, and these endangered species in Pakistan are clear to you. Now it's your homework time. You have to do question number 8, even on page 49, understanding the concepts. It is related to the conservation of biodiversity, the steps taken in Pakistan, and you have to do the assignment, which is also given in your week 11 assignment. It is to search about the endangered species in the world. You have to write a report based on those facts about endangered species and their conservation. Write about any two endangered species other than those discussed in the book. You will follow the method, follow the all steps as for your research project. So you will write the materials needed from where you are searching. You can write the references, and you will write the reasons of decline of that species, the habitat, that where do they live and why they are declining, then what steps are being taken to protect them. You will mention the all headings and you will complete it. Remember to mention the two species apart from these given in the book. And if you are taking help from someone, then you will write a thank you note as well, and do paste pictures of those species. You can even draw them, and it should be good presentable work. All the best. Take care.